if we consider the area we have here, then the strip has a height y and a width dx, but y is below the x-axis, and therefore y would be negative. This means that when we calculate y dx, we get a negative number, and the summation from x equals a to x equals b of y dx would also be negative. Clearly we can't have a negative area. The numerical value of this calculation is the area. We just need to ignore the minus sign. So when we're dealing with areas that are below the x-axis, we will get a negative answer, but the area is the number ignoring the minus sign. This gives us a problem when dealing with situations such as this, where part of the area is above and part below the x-axis. The point where the curve crosses the x-axis we'll call C. If we were to evaluate the integral from x equals a to x equals b of y dx, then the answer that we get will not be equal to the blue area. This answer will be produced by the bit above and bit below cancelling each other. So we need to deal with these separately. To find the total blue area, we'd need to do x equals a to x equals c of y dx, and that would be a positive answer. Then we'd need to do the integral from x equals c to x equals b of y dx, which would be a negative answer. The numerical value would be correct, but it's negative, which indicates that the area is below the x-axis. To find the total blue area, we would need to add the two values, ignoring the minus sign on the second integral.